Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload your video in YouTube. So I'm going to open my browser and I already logging in my YouTube. You need to log in your YouTube account. There are two ways you can upload your YouTube videos. In one, you can see this plus icon in here, create. From here, you can upload your videos. And another option is if you click this icon from here and go to YouTube Studio. From YouTube Studio, you see the same icon from here, create. These two are the same thing. If I click on this icon from here, then you can see there are many options available. Upload videos, go live, new playlist or new podcast. I select the first one, upload videos. For upload videos, we need to select our file from our PC. So I'm going to select this file from here and click on open. So you can see my file is uploading. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add title for your video, and I'm going to tell you the importance of your video title.